Hello everyone, today we are going to make a lovely project. I was thinking about the Mother's Day, it is coming, so I thought something easy, of course, like always, quick, beautiful, fancy, everything together. We are going to make this lovely 2-in-1 pouch set, so you can use it together or separately. The exterior one is made by faux leather and vinyl. I'm using 0.4 millimeters of vinyl. It's very good to store some liquids like shampoo, creams when you are going to traveling. It's very handy. And the inside one is made by cotton, and you can put inside the small items like chargers, headphones and adapters. So if you like this project, don't forget to give us your thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel so you can be notified for the next video. Let's go started. For our main pouch we are going to need 2 pieces of transparent vinyl measuring 27 per 22 centimeters. We are going to need 4 stripes measuring 29 centimeters per 6 centimeters, a zipper measuring 22 centimeters, a puller, 2 pieces of the same fabric measuring 4 centimeters per 3 centimeters, and also 2 stripes of, I believe it's called scallop trim, measuring 29 centimeters. For the interior pouch, we are going to need 2 pieces of the main fabric, interfacing and lining fabric, all with the same measure, to 22 centimeters per 17 centimeters, a zipper measuring 20 centimeters, a puller, and 2 little pieces of fabric measuring 4 centimeters per 3 centimeters. It's all. First of all, we are going to work in our zipper. I already applied our puller. We are going to make a sandwich here. So front of the main fabric with the front of the main fabric facing together like this. Now we are going to open and we are going to put the zipper inside. And now we are going to make a suture here. And now we are going to pull it back both, and we are going to top stitch here. And we are going to do the same thing on this side. All done. Now I'm going to get our 4 stripes, and we are going to measure 1 centimeter from the edge on all of them. After that, we are going to get our double tape and we are going to apply it on this fabric here. Like this, until the mark we've done. And now carefully we are going to turn our fabric until the line we have done. It will be like this. And now we are going to do the same thing on the 3 stripes. Now we are going to apply our zipper. First of all, we are going to find the middle of our stripes. So fold in half and just make a little cut. And find the middle of the zipper as well. So fabric facing up, zipper facing down. So middle with the middle. And we are going to make a suture here. And now, front with the front, we are going to match the middles here. And we are going to make another suture. Now we are going to open, pull the fabric back, and now we are going to top stitch all around. And now we are going to make the same process on this side. So front with the front, match the middles, all done. Now on one of the vinyl parts you are going to apply the double tape on the edge. We need to put some double tape here as well, so I have done it. And now we are going to match this line here with this here. So we are going to match it together. Now we are going to get our scallop trim. We are going to put the right side facing now, and we are going to fold this. And we are going to match. Now we can take this and now we are going to top stitch here. And now let's top stitch again with a 1/2 centimeter seam allowance. Now we are going to do the same thing on that side. So it is like this. Now we are going to fold this right side with the right side, and we are going to match these sutures here together on both sides. Now we are going to sew it here, here, and here. To give some volume to our piece, we need to make a square of 3 centimeters, and we are going to measure it from the sutures. Now we are going to cut it. Now let's trim off. It's all cut. Now we are going to open and we are going to match. And now we are going to stitch here. Now we are going to do the same thing on this side because this is transparent, very important, so we can match the sutures together. And now let's turn our piece backwards. Now for the punch will be on the interior of our vinyl punch. We are going to start with the zipper. So we are going to make the same sandwich. So right side with the right side, and we are going to put the zipper on the middle. And let's make a suture here. Let's turn and top stitch. Now let's do it on the other side. Don't forget to apply our puller. It will be like this. Now we are going to get our main fabric and we are going to fix it on the interfacing. We are going to sew it all over. Now let's going to trim off. Now we are going to apply our zipper. Find the middle here, just fold the fabric and just cut, and you find the middle here. You will match these sutures here and you will find the middle of the zipper as well. So right side with the right side, we are going to make a suture here. Now we are going to apply the lining fabric, right side with the right side together, and let's make a suture as well. Put the lining fabric back, match all the edges here, apply some pins to fix it. And now we are going to top stitch here. So right to the fabric with the right side of the fabric. Right side of the lining fabric with the right side together. I double top stitch to make a different design. Now you are going to put main fabric with main fabric and lining fabric with the lining fabric. Make sure all the edges are matching. So now we are going to stitch all around and we are going to leave here an open gap so we can turn our piece backwards. Now let's trim the corners without cutting the suture, and let's trim off a little bit more. So let's turn our piece. Now we are going to close our lining fabric. Now we're opening up, so just fold the edges inside and make a suture here. I hope you try to make this pouch set. It will raise your sales definitely because it's very beautiful. Your mom's gonna love this gift. So if you like projects like this, don't forget to subscribe the channel, turn the notifications on so you can be notified for the next video. Bye!